Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharing Knowledge video tutorial. In this video we are going to show you how to install 2.5-inch SATA laptop hard disk into LiveTech 2.5-inch SATA external hard drive enclosure case. This LiveTech 2.5-inch SATA USB 3.0 external hard drive enclosure case is made up of aluminium and available with two colors, silver and black. Inside this box you will get USB 3.0 cable with SATA connector and main unit LiveTech enclosure case with 2.5-inch SATA port, and also one pouch and one screwdriver and two screws. With this USB 3.0 external hard drive enclosure, you can use your old or failure laptop hard disks again as an portable external hard drive. This is my old 2.5-inch laptop hard disk. This hard disk drive is failure on laptop, so we are going to install this 2.5-inch SATA hard disk drive into LiveTech 2.5-inch external hard drive enclosure case. This is the LiveTech 2.5-inch SATA port. You can see here your SATA hard disk insert into LiveTech SATA port. Be careful if you have difficult for hard disk insert on your SATA port. Slightly push out SATA port and take outside like this. Now your hard disk insert into LiveTech SATA port. Be careful, push it slightly like this. Once complete, hard disk insert on this SATA port connector box like this. And once complete, hard disk insert on LiveTech enclosure case. Slide like this. After that, tight these small screws both sides of the enclosure case like this. Now you are done. Now your hard disk ready for use. Now your USB 3.0 cable plug into your portable hard drive port and other side insert on your laptop USB port. Then you can see here hard drive reading light flashing. Also you can see hard drive size and partitions here on laptop screen. Now our installation successful. We are done. Thanks for watching and supporting. I hope this video helped you.
Thanks for watching. If you have any issues, comments below. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, make sure hit like and share. Your contribution is more confidence. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Once again, thanks for watching and subscribing. See you next video. Bye. Take care.